Hey everyone, so today we're going to do a traveling ring pour on an 8x16 canvas. If you're new to pouring, down below the video you'll see two links, one for how I mix my paints and the other for how we mix our base coat. I'm not going to use a base coat on this today because I'm going to use enough paint to stretch and cover the canvas. All the paint in my bottles does have silicone in it. So I'm going to start with, oops, I was going to spray that first. I do spray my cups with the WD-40 just to release all the paint, and if you're using plastic cups, it makes cleanup so much easier. Oop, got blurry as soon as I took that cup off. Alright, so I'm going to add some black, and then I'm going to go with some sterling silver. This is from Coat Art. It comes in a jar, just like these do. Next is Master's Touch Light Purple, Soho Dioxazine Violet, that's from Jerry's, Liquitex Deep Violet, and Premier Purple Red is from AC Moore. So the first few colors I mixed up in the cup because those will be the last ones out and I don't want just like one color. So now I'm shooting for the side. So we're going to do some black, some sterling silver, Master's Touch light purple, light purple, Soho Dioxazine Violet, Liquitex Deep Violet, and Premier Purple Red, and I'm going to finish it off with black. Okay, get these out of the way. So when you're doing a traveling ring, I just pinch my cup, make myself a cute little spout. And I start on one end and work my way to the other. You can do circles, that'll give you a little bit different look. Sterling silver is definitely prominent, isn't it? But it will sell out beautiful. And all I have left in my cup, it looks like, is black. How it all sunk to the bottom. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour that on the sides. There's a tiny bit of color in it. Not much. Okay, give it a quick torch just to get the air bubbles out. And if you're new while you're here, go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell. You'll be notified when we upload our next video. So right now I'm just getting it all together. Because I don't want just lines. Alright, now I'm going to tilt. I'm not sure where I'm getting like this pewter effect. I wonder if it's the silver mixing with the black. That's interesting. That's cool right there. But that is like a basic traveling ring, where you're not like going all over the canvas, but I came straight down. I'll go ahead and torch that because we're going to get a lot more cells coming up through here. They're hiding. They're coming. Alright. This will be cool when it dries because of that silver. I'll give you a close-up. So give me a like and a share. Leave a comment. Join us on Facebook at the Garage Posse with Christina Welch. That's our group. You can see some great art there and learn some things there from other artists. And my Christina Welch Art page is also on Facebook. That link is below. Shop with us on Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. And check out our Etsy shop if you're interested in purchasing paintings. Our fan mail box, post office box address is below as well. If you'd like to support our channel, our PayPal link is there too. And if you're looking to get the Stone Coat Art Coat resin, we have a code available for $10 off a $95 order using the code POSSE. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye now.